Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the workbook and selecting the specific sheet or range you want to change. This ensures you operate on the right data. Make a save as copy immediately so you can revert if formatting breaks formulas. Then quickly scan cell types, numbers, dates, or text, because Excel applies different format rules. Fixing mixed types first prevents later surprises. Once done, select the range and proceed to the Home tab where number formatting lives. Now apply the desired preset or create a custom format so values display consistently. Presets are quick, but custom lets you control decimals, separators, and date layouts. Open Format Cells and on the Number tab set decimals, use 1000 separator and choose negative number style to match reporting needs. Use custom when you need patterns like 0, 00 for 2 decimals, or DDMMMEI for compact dates. This prevents parsing errors and keeps pivot tables and charts accurate. Make sure to preview before confirming. To finish, verify that formulas, pivot tables, and charts reflect the new formats and that sorting still behaves as expected. Formatting shouldn't change underlying values. If some numbers remain as text, convert them with value text to columns or multiply by 1 via paste special. That fixes calculation issues. Finally, lock important formats with Protect Sheet or apply conditional formatting for rules that must persist. If something breaks, revert to your saved copy and trace the cells causing the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.